Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Far Cry 4. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio settings on your Far Cry 4 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 4 game on your device, and right inside the home page, you will see the settings option. Tap on the appropriate settings button or navigate towards it and then click on it, and you will now be taken into this menu. From here, to change your audio settings, tap on General underneath Options. Now within the General options, if you scroll down, you will find the audio settings. Now you can choose your master volume level using the slider and also by clicking on the left and right arrows. Underneath this, you can choose to have music turned on or off, and this will disable all music from the game. After your chosen settings have been set, you can simply go back, and when this icon appears, it just means that your settings have been saved. Now you may continue to play your game with your chosen audio settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings on the Far Cry 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.